how to set up country restrictions on Dacast. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can set up country restrictions on Dacast. How do you go about this? The first step is to log in into your Dacast account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options, which include dashboard, live streams, videos, folders. Then scroll down and click on settings. Once you're on your settings page, the next step is for you to select security and you'll be taken to the securities page. So once you're on your securities page, the next step is to scroll down until you can see the geo restriction option. All right, so once you can see the geo restriction option, move to the right side of the screen and then click on add group. So you have to give the group a name. All right, the group of people that you would like to set restriction for. Okay, so you can just give it a name. All right, and just, for example, supervisor. That is just an example. Then select the countries that you want to have access to your content. All right, so that means that countries that you do not select would be restricted from having access to your content. So this is that simple. But if you want all the countries to have access, you can click on select all. But if not, you can just select the countries that you want them to have access to your content and then leave it as that. Then click on create, and then that way you've restricted other countries while making sure that the group you've added will have access to your content. So that is it. So this is basically it. This is how you can set country restrictions on Dacast. So thank you for watching, and go explore this feature immediately, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.